gotta have fun. Wanna chill with the family, oh yeah. Time with the family, the best time. There's no place I'd rather be, nah. Time with the family, the best time. Oh yeah. Spend my time with the fam, yo. Spend time with my sister, time with the bros. This one's for the fam. This one's for the fam. Spend my time.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making slime and we have two special guests. But before we get started, my name is Aaliyah. My name is Trey. My name is Diana. My name is Gregory. My name is Kanaja. And my name is Lashanti. And together we are Glamorous Family. And before we start this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like slime or if you played it before. Woo! So let's get started. Woo! Yeah, go to the viewers. You if you have not subscribed to our channel, and comment down below. And comment down below which part of slime do you like. Woo! Next clip.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we are going to be working with the kit, the slime kit. And it did come with the bucket, and it came with the little small accessories that go with it.
With the glitter.
And then we have the actual slime itself. So this is what we're going to be working with. So we have the Elmer's Classy Clear Deluxe glue. This is what we're going to be working with today, along with the rest of the accessories. So yeah, so we hope that you guys like this video. Make sure you thumbs up, comment below on what you like most about slime. And for the record, this video is not sponsored by any way or form. So yeah. So we'll see you guys in the next clip. And we are also going to be working with the slime jars. So everyone will have their own jar to put the slime in and to make the slime and to mix the slime. This jar is from Maddie Ray's slime jars, 6-pack. It's clear, so you'll be able to see through this through the jars. So yeah, let's get started. We also got some coloring that we're going to be mixing, some food coloring that we're going to be mixing as well. And so we're gonna let them choose the colors that they want, and they're gonna make their own color. We're just gonna try to do it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. If not, we still have this. All right, guys, so now you're going to open up the containers. All right, calm down, y'all. Just open up the containers.
I'm so excited.
Okay, now what you're going to be doing, we're gonna start in the same order that we was going in at first. And we're gonna use our hands because usually with slime, it's not really a spoon type unless you're actually making it. But for this case, the slime is already made. We're just mixing it together and just gonna have a little fun with it. So we hope you guys stay tuned, continue watching. Make sure you guys support us, and for the ones that supporting us already, we want to thank you so much. And make sure you comment down below on what's your favorite type of slime.
And don't forget to mix it.
And we're almost at 7.
Yes. All right, guys, so we're going to get started.
All right, let's do it.
With everybody has some clear clay inside.
This thing is really
Their jars.
sticky. It's really sticky. Cause look, it won't come out of the jar.
It's supposed to come out of the jar. Exactly.
And then, all right. So at this point, y'all can just start opening up. Gregory, don't use all of it because everybody's gonna have to get clay.
Ooh, it feels so good.
Oh,
It feels,
Hold on, let him get some first. Let him get some first.
it feels like puggy.
All right, you don't need that much. Just everybody get a little at a time.
I'm gonna get some sprinkles. Sticky.
Because she's doing it right.
I'm gonna learn that.
Look at that, it look cute, right?
Okay, let me see some.
So we
rink.
had to mix some clay in it so we can get that
Look.
consistency.
Look at mine. It's so
See the
cute.
video.
That's some glitter. Look, it's spilling. Who opened it? What is it? It's stuck in my head.
Okay, guys. So this is what everybody.
Well, I'm gonna put my color in first.
Look, guys.
You making a mess.
Who's stuck? Gagger? Mine is so cute. It looks like snow, like from Frozen. It does. Oh, how you get that?
Because you didn't add the color.
Purple.
What is this?
Guys. Oh, that sounds good.
So unfortunately, the other two had to come out. They were not acting right. So they will be in it towards the end. So make sure you mix some more in yours.
Okay.
Let me get some of these sprinkles.
Actually, I'm gonna use all.
Wait, say something for Zari. Is this Zari? No, Zari got it.
You change this.
You can use this tray.
What?
You want me to put
I was gonna use this.
and some glitter in there? I said you.
I'll do it.
What? This?
Yeah.
You don't want me?
This one.
I said never mind.
Oh, I didn't know it was open this side. Ooh, sprinkles. Guys, look
I
at
think I'm gonna have sprinkle on mine.
Look at this.
Oh, I'm so sorry. We gotta say something for Zari too.
Say this mess for Zara.
So right now, guys, we did finish the slime. It got into a horrible mess. But we did get it into the jar. And we completed it. It made a total mess. This video wasn't that long, but we hope you guys still enjoyed it. We will be on the next clip. We will be telling you guys the name of their slime.
Guys, I named my slime Sprinkle Blue. And the color I use for Sprinkle Blue, I use navy blue. Okay, so the color that I used was grape purple. And this is the color of my slime. And my name of my slime is Galaxy Sprinkle.
So Zari's is named
Princess
Fairy, and she used pink.
Now your turn. Oh, it's Becky's turn.
I use green, dark green, and my name is Glow Sky.
Hi guys, my slime color is violet purple, and mine is cherry blossom.